Hello, students. Today we are going to start our first chapter of economics. It is for class 10th. The chapter name is development. Development is a very, according to me, it is very difficult word to explain because when we ask to someone, "Bhai, what is development?" so they tell different things. If we are in the class, so I ask to someone, so what do you understand by the word development? So someone says, sir, uh, when a person are having everything, that is called development. Second says, when we are having more and more factories in our country, we produce more and more things, that means development. Somebody says, sir, if we are having all the health facilities, okay, for the all people, that is called development. Another says, if we use more and more technology, so that is mean development. If we are having good roads, if we are having good transportation, good communication, that means development. If everyone is having, all people are having more money, that is called development. So today we will discuss in this chapter that what is the real meaning of development. What is this phenomenon which we use, development. So now we are going to start this. We all know that in our country or in the world, people or the countries are also divided into few parts like developed countries, underdeveloped countries, or developing countries. Okay, non-developing countries also there are. So we will understand, as we can see here in this picture, that different aspects are there. There's somebody is here who is pulling the rickshaw. Okay, somebody there we can say they are having different lifestyle. They are having different lifestyle here. Different, some a few people are going by the good car, some are not. Okay, so it means we can say all the people are different here. So how can we say that development, as I told that when I ask this question in my class, so student gives the different answers. So how can we imagine, how can we say that development has only one definition, or we can define development in a line? No. As we can, what I told, it is written here, the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about the country should be like, what are the essential things that we require, can we live, can life be better for all, how should people live together, can there be more equality. The development involves thinking about these questions and all about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. So these questions are asked every time. You will also ask these questions. We can everybody be equal? Can everyone get the all thing? Or like this. This question can raised in my mind. So now we are going to learn this chapter, and as you know, in economics, we extremely talk about money or money matter things. So one aspect we have to see this also. So now we will go to the, and we will see that what is development. So here we can see what development promises. Different people, different goal. Very important. In exam, it repeats again and again. What development promises? By what tells what this theory of development tells us. So here they have defined in two words: different people, different goals. Different people, different goals means, like, if you ask about development, so a different person will give you different answer because their aspiration, their goals, their aims are different. Why it is different? Because if you will ask to any labor, a person who is doing daily wages labor, if you will ask him by what is development for you, in Hindi if you ask भाई आपके लिए विकास क्या है, या आप कब आप सोचोगे कि आपका विकास हो रहा है या आपका विकास होने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी हैं. सो इफ़ यू विल आस्क दीज थिंग्स टू एनी पर्सन who is very poor, so he will only say one thing, that sir, I want to work for 365 days. It means he will not ask, he will not talk about the education, he will not talk about the economy of the country, he will not talk about the transportation, communication, we can say technology. He will not talk about these things. He will just simply say, if he will get the work for 365 days and he get a respective income or wages, so he will think that now his development been done. Okay, so as you can see here, a landless rural labor who works in the field in the rural area. So what he wants, because they get only 5 or 6 month work, so more days. What he want, what is his goal, what is development goal? So more days of the work, better wages, local school is able to provide quality education for their children, there is no social discrimination, and they too can become leader in the village. So a person who is landless labor, he thinks that he get more days work. Okay, for a whole year he gets work little, he want good wages, and he need that his uh, children will not do the same. So for them he want good education. Okay, and equality he wants. So same as you can see here, they have given different type of people here, like a prosperous farmer from Punjab, a person a farmer from Punjab who is having good land and he has good money. What he want? So he want that his income become double or increases, and he can send his children to foreign. Okay, now his dreams are little bigger than that landless labor. So his problem is not that I want to get the work for whole day, for whole year. His aspiration or his aim is little different. Now he want uh, cheap labor, he want cheap tools of for we can say farming, and these kind of goals he is having. Now farmers who depend on the rain for growing crops, now you can write here what they want. According to me, they want good facility of irrigation, they want good fertilizer. Okay, they want little support from the government. Okay, a rural woman from a land owning family, she wants what she wants. She same want like she wants good fertilizer, good support from the government. Okay, good transport. By that, her harvest can reach to the markets, and she can get good money. Urban unemployed youth, simply this year this came in exam. Okay, so what an urban employee, it means a person who is living in city and he is a young person and educated also. What he want? Very simple. His development will, he will think only about him, that if he will get good job according to his qualifications, so it means he will think that okay, now I am developed. A boy from a rich urban family, so it means you can fill it according to you also. So different person, different goals. Like same a girl from the rich urban family, so a boy from the rich urban family, what he will think, he want to go foreign, he want to study good. Okay, from the same family, if the girl is there, she is having money, she is having education, everything, but now here she want equality. Like if her brother can go to foreign and study well, or so why she is not allowing to go there? Okay, so she should be allowed to go. So just she want what does she want? She want here equality. Okay, no discrimination of girls and boys. Same from Adivasi family, they want that nobody interrupt in their we can say living style. If they want to live like as they were living from the thousands of years, so let them live. Okay, by the name of development, don't destroy their ethnicity or their culture. Okay, so like this. So as we can see here, what they are saying, let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons list, as we have seen. Okay, so different persons are having different goal. Here we can say, you want a car, the way our country is set up, all you can hope for this, maybe to one day on the rickshaw you pull. Okay, so this is different. Okay, so simply we can say here, by different goals. Why these different goals? It means, if what is poverty kind of thing, like if we say, if we see a person who is in India, if he is having car, so we think he is well established or well developed person, and he is from good family. But in India, if somebody is not having car, so it doesn't mean that he is poor. But in America, if we see in America, in any developed country, if somebody is not having car, means he is very poor. Okay, so this is the difference. That's why here and there, here and we can say rich and poor, they all are having different goals of their development. So as we have filled this seek, okay, two persons group. Okay, we can say the two persons are not having same group, same developmental goal, which are conflicting. Girl aspect as much more freedom and opportunity as her brother, and I have explained to you all these things. Her brother may not like this. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialists may want more dams. Okay, very good example here. So as we can see, very nice line is written here also. Different person can have different developmental goal. We have given the example for this, है ना? We have seen that different persons are having different goals, developmental goals. But here very important, what may be development for one may not be development for other. It may even be destructive for others. What they are saying here, one person is having different goal and second is having different goal. Okay, but they are saying development for one. If one person name is Ram and second name is Shyam, so if Ram wants development, it can be destructive for other. Like, want to give the example from here, an industrialist, any factory owner, what he want more and more electricity. Okay, so from where electricity will come? So electricity will come from the dams. So now electricity will come from the dams. So what they want, the government prepare or government build more and more dams. So if government will make more and more dams, it will be beneficial for industrialists. So industrialists want dam. But on which land this dam will be made, on which river it will be made, from the thousands of years the people are living here. If it is a river, so from thousands and hundreds of years people are living on the bank of that river. Their lifestyle is according to that, है ना? So if here they will make the dam, so now these people has to migrate from here to somewhere else. Okay, so they are saying, if the dam will be made, so it will be good for industrialists. If it will be good for industrialists, people want dams. But these we can say poor people who are living near to the area of the dam, so they will have to migrate from here somewhere else. Okay, so it is good, making dam is good for industrialists, but it can be very destructive for the poor people. Okay, you understand this? So it is the destruction for the poor people. Okay, they have to change their lifestyle, they have to go, they have to leave their home actually. Okay, so same thing we can say. That's why we are saying here, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the others. Okay, I hope you understood this. So till for now it is enough. I'll meet you in the next part of this chapter, and we will discuss that what are the goals of development for the people, income and other goals. We will discuss about it. Okay, till then we study it. Thank you.